Hello everyone and welcome to Pathshala. In this video tutorial I am going to show you 3 unique ways to find duplicate values in Microsoft Excel. So without going any further, let's get right into it. I'm going to show you 3 unique ways and this is going to be really quick. In the first way, I will show you how to find and remove duplicate data. In this sheet 1, you can see in column 1 we have some name list. There are some name here and you can clearly see that there are some names that have been appeared more than once in this sheet, and we don't want that. We want to remove this. So to do that, select the data. You can just select all the data, or you can just select the whole column instead. Then go to data. Under the data section you will find remove duplicates. Click this. It will give you a window like this, which will confirm that where you want to apply this method. Since it's saying name list, this is our column, it's checked. If you click OK, and there you go, it will remove the duplicate data for you, and it will give you a message like this, that 4 duplicate values found and removed, 7 unique values remain. So this is the way. This is you can just get rid of your duplicate values. If you just want to get rid of duplicate values, you can apply this formula. You can also apply this formula over multiple columns. Let me show you. Here in sheet 4 you can see that we have a table of name list, age and course, and we can see that here this whole row has been duplicated here, and you can just get rid of this duplicate value by applying the same method that I have shown in the previous. So select the data, go to the data section, click on remove duplicates, and it will give you the window to make sure which column you want to apply this. Since we want to get rid of the data from this whole 3 column, therefore we will check this 3 column, and if we just click OK, you can see that the duplicate values have been removed and the unique values remain. So this was the way number 1. If you just want to get rid of the duplicate data, you can use this method. Second, I will show you how to find and mark the duplicate values. There is a built-in method for this. Select the data where you want to apply this condition. Go to home, go to conditional formatting. Under the highlight cell rules you will find duplicate values. If you just click on this, you can see that from our selected cells, some cells have been marked, and this is the preview of the condition that we just applied. If you click OK, it will give us the duplicate values from our selected values. So this way you can easily get the duplicate values from your selected values. You can also apply this formula to multiple columns like this. If you just select the whole table and apply the same formula, see, it gave us all the duplicate values that have been appeared in this table more than once. And after that, if you just filter them out, you will get the duplicate values. So this is the way number 2. This is how you can find duplicate values, and this way comes very handy when you want to find out whether the data you are entering is duplicated or not. Suppose you are inputting some random data in a column and you want to find out whether the data you are entering is duplicated or not. You can do that. To do that, select the column and apply this method to the whole column. Apply it. After that, when you type any data below this column, and if the data has been duplicated or have been appeared before in this column, it will change its background color like this, and it will notify you that it has been duplicated. Let's give it a try. If we type anything other than this names, suppose Sunny, it won't give us any mark that it has been duplicated. But if you type Steve, you can see that it's showing us the mark that it has been duplicated. So this is kind of cool that you immediately get notified if the data is duplicated. Okay, so this is way number 2. This is how you can find duplicate values. Now I'm going to show you the third way to find duplicate values. You can see here in sheet 3, in column A, we have a name list, and there are some names that have been appeared more than once in this list, and we are going to find that out. So go to the second index of the first value. Here we will write an formula to find out the duplicate values. So go to formula bar, type equal, like we type equal before writing any other formula. Type count, count, count if, and then opening bracket and closing bracket. Inside the bracket we will give conditions, and inside the bracket we have to provide the range of values where we want to find the duplicate. So in my case it will be A2 to A12, then put comma, and here you will have to give the index number of the value that you want to find, whether it is duplicate or not. So we will give A2 and hit enter. So what this countif formula does, it counts the number of times A2 appeared in this range of lists, like how many times this value appeared in this list. Since Nathael has appeared only once, it's giving us the value 1. And if we just click on this plus sign and drag down, we can see that Archie, it has been appeared thrice in this list. Lucas, it has been appeared twice in this list. And after that, if we just filter this column, and if we just filter only one here, we will get the unique values. And if you just want to get rid of duplicate values, you can just select anything but one. So if you select 2 and 3, you will get the duplicate values. And now if you want to delete it, you can delete it, or you can use it as you want. So this is the third way. This is how you can find duplicate values using this countif method. So this is it. This is the 3 way you can find duplicate values in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.